G'day guys, Steve here from Pestrol. Today we're talking about the Mosquito Eater outdoor mosquito trap. Now this one's one of my personal favourites. It's only new to the Pestrol range, but as you can see, slightly different. Now we've got a stand here that's really good, nice and sturdy for putting outside on the pergola or out in the barbie area, that sort of thing. And it also comes with the added bonus, apart from having all of our technologies in it, the lights, the fan and TiO2 coating and everything, as having a trough around the outside. The trough here is just there to fill up water. Mosquitoes love water, they come and try and breed here. You can add some of our attractant powder as well to increase the attraction. Obviously they're just going to get sucked into the fan, go down into the chamber and get stuck and die basically. The machine itself comes with two modes. There's 24 hours, so it just runs 24 hours a day, and nighttime mode, where this sensor here, if you just cover it up, pretend it's nighttime, you can see the machine just turns on, the fan starts going, the light's on, and they're just getting sucked into the chamber as they get a little bit too close. The machine's been fully approved for Australian use electrically, and yeah, it is quite the little unit. We're really liking this one. If you have any questions, give us a call on 1800 33 8888 or just go to pestrol.com.au. Cheers.